Okay.
Alex.
Cinnamon.
What?
You're a cheater. You can't use your phone.
I'm not.
You have the camera.
That's great.
Close your eyes.
Whoa. Oranges.
You know how I know you're cheating?
Oh.
You're not even smelling the marker. You know what it is.
Yeah.
Great.
You still have your eyes open.
No, I don't.
Okay. Close your eyes. This time I will hold it.
Okay, let me hold your hand.
Okay.
Let me see your face, Michael.
Yeah?
You're so mean, bozo. No more. You're going to write on your shirt and then you're going to have a panic attack.
You just did.
Okay.
Lonzo. Leave him.
Wait. I'm finishing this. Stay.
Michael, let me see.
Okay.
Lonzo.
What?
Why did you do that?
Okay.
Why did you do that?
Here.
Huh?
I don't know.
That was rude.
Your turn, okay?